Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to understand nesting route in a React router DOM. So how nesting work in a React application with the help of React router. We will we will see in this application. So this is a small demo. So I will show you what what does mean by nesting. So I have some navigation here, home, news, about, contact, and I have already created a video on this, how a basic routing work in a React application. And if you haven't watched that video, then I will provide the link in the I button. You can click on I button and watch that video, how basic route work in a React router. In this video, we will see nesting route. So nesting route means if you click on news, okay. So under news component, we have another route, okay. So we have like a news topic here. So it's a sports, politics, business, weather, and if you select sports, politics, so it will basically change, okay. So this is basically nothing. We are basically um, getting this params, okay. So this is the param URL parameter, okay. So this parameter we are basically extracting and displaying here, okay. I will create another video specific with respect to URL parameter, okay. But in this video we will be only talking about nesting, how nesting work in a React router. Okay, so let's jump into the VS Code and see how we can implement a nesting route in our React router. So guys, this is the basic setup. Okay, so we have one header component in which I have our all navigation header, navigation head, home, news, about, contact, and we have a specific page for each routing. Okay, and in app.js I have registered all the component with respective route. Okay, so you can see we have news. So the component is register a news component with news route in the same way for about and the contact page as well. And I had just added some basic styling, so to see inline the navigation. Okay, so we have to implement the nesting route in a news component. Okay, so we'll be start working on this news component. Okay, so from React router DOM we need to import couple of components, so like use, route, match, link, switch, route. Now I will give some break here. And I will give one div here and one style I will give. So everything will be align enter. So the heading will be like news topic, and I will copy some part here. Okay, so I will just change the route name here, and from use route match I will destructure path and URL. Okay, and this thing we need to change. So this will be like URL, and this is sports. So this heading is sports. Okay, so I'll just copy this one, because only this part will get changed. Okay, and this part. So the next thing like politics, and business, and this will be a weather. So these are the news topic. Okay, so let's see. So we are able to render inside the news. Okay, so this is it will not render in about and contact and home. It will only render in the news component because we are implementing only news component. Okay, now we'll have to use a switch here. So switch route. So exact path. So I will give like please select a new, and I will copy again this one, and here the, it will be something like this. So path news ID, and in news ID we will render a separate component, so which I will create here. Okay, so let's create one file here. So it will be news topic. I will create a RFC. Okay, so here I will just give like news topic. Okay, come to news. Okay, and I will import that news topic here. So VS Code automatically import. So let's see. So the moment I click, it is getting render. Okay, now we have to render the topic here, whatever user click on. Okay, so we can do with the help of use params. So use param basically is used to extract the URL parameters. So we can extract this one. Okay, so I will show you. First, I will show you in the console how it basically works. So just console param. So, let's see. So we got the object, and you can see that after changing, so this param is getting changed. Okay, so from param we have to destructure the news ID. Okay, so we can direct either you can do like this param dot user ID, either you can do like this. So okay, param dot one second news ID, not a user ID, sorry. Okay, so at currently we haven't selected anything, so if you click export, so it will get changed. So it's not changing. For politics, I think I haven't changed the link here. Okay, so it will be politics, sorry, my mistake. So let's reload. So you can see that this is getting changed upon the selection of the nesting route. Okay, so either you can do like this. Okay, param.news id, or you can directly destructure news id here. So you don't have to write like this. Okay, so it's up to your choice. So just remove that on console log, otherwise we will get an error. So let's go to about and come back to news. So at the moment we haven't selected, and if you select a specific new topic, so this is getting also changed with this approach also. So it's up to you, either you can destructure or you can access like params.newsID. So this is all about nesting in React Router DOM, how nesting work in a React Router DOM. We have learned in this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.